So I know that it's graduation season, and I just wanted to do a really cute, quick, and easy graduation video, because I graduated last year in 2018, and so I just want to show you guys the makeup that I did, and I'm not going to show you the hair because it's 10:30 at night and I showered already. I'll show you guys what my makeup looked like. I'll show you some graduation pictures so you guys can kind of get a feel for what I had, and I'm going to remake it for you just to show you how to do a quick and easy, simple graduation makeup. So let's get going. Okay, so I already have moisturizer and my skin prepped and everything. I didn't use a primer for graduation because we only had the makeup on for while we were sitting in the ceremony and then going across the stage and then sitting there. It was about 2 hours long, but then as soon as we got to the bathrooms, like, we all took our makeup off and everything because we had our senior all-nighter right after that, so my makeup was not on for very long, so I didn't want to use a primer to, like, make it stay on because it wasn't worth keeping. So I'm going to be going in, I don't remember what foundation I had used. I'm going to be going in with my Almay Truly Lasting Color in the shade Neutral 220, and just put that on the back of my hand. I'm really going to take my time on my base makeup because this makeup is super simple, but I wanted the skin to look really flawless while I was on stage, and I also wanted it to be very matte. So we are going to be making it very matte because I didn't want to look like I was sweating on stage. And it's okay to do the base first because we're not doing anything dramatic with the eyes, and we're not going to have any fallout or anything, no glitter or any of that, so it should be all good. Okay, now that the base is really good, I'm going to go in with my concealer, my Maybelline Fit Me. I'm pretty sure I used this for graduation. I don't really remember, but I'm going to go in with this because it's a super light concealer, and it's not going to give me insane amount of coverage, but it's also not going to, like, leave me looking like I have bags under my eyes, so. Yeah, our ceremony was really, really nice. It went for about 2 to 2.5 hours, I'm pretty sure. But our class song was the Friends theme song. We had t-shirts that said seniors, but like in the Friends lettering, and it just, like, all just really made sense. It was really, really nice. Everybody, I'm pretty sure almost everyone graduated in my class. We had about 250 kids, I'm pretty sure. So my best friend was a part of the top 10 in the class, so we got to sit in, like, the front row for graduation, and it was awesome. But yeah, so I'm going to take my concealer and highlight my chin and my Cupid's bow. Okay, now that we have all of our wet products down and everything, I'm going to go in with my Artistry Exact Fit Perfecting Loose Powder in the shade Light. I'm going to take a different blender, because I don't want to use my beauty blender for this, but I'm going to take the bottom of that and just do a light layer of powder and just work it all over my face. If you have dry skin and you don't want a very matte look, you could totally get, like, a dewy foundation and go in with that. I still always set my face whether I want a very dewy look or not, just because I am super oily, so my dewy looks are way more dewier than I intend them to be. but powder is great. This just gives a nice, like, airbrushed kind of look to your whole face. Now that we are done with our base makeup, I'll come back and finish the face after, but I'm going to go in to my eyes real quick. I'm going to go in with the Subculture palette, because it has very, like, earthy tones and everything, and I'm going to go in with this light brown called Dawn, and then this darker brown called Fudge. We're going to take Dawn, that first light brown color, and just kind of work it in to, and we're going to kind of wing it out a little bit. I'm going to go in with that same blending brush and go into that darker brown Fudge, tap off a lot of the excess, and just kind of lightly work it into the eye. And then actually, I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just dip all in there and swipe that through on my eye, just to bring some more warmth back to it. Alright. So that's the eyes. I'm now going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer on an It Cosmetic contour brush and do a contour. The weather was a bit nicer around this time last year for graduation, so I was a lot tanner in the pictures, but it's been raining almost non-stop except for Saturday when it was like 80 degrees, and it's supposed to rain all week, all weekend, so okay, so now that we're done with the bronzer, we're going to go into highlight. I'm going to use an Artistry, just big fluffy brush for my bronzer. For my blush, I'm going in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Bronzer in shade Thankful, and then just gonna smile and pop it on my cheeks. I'm gonna do my mascara and my inner corner highlight, and then we'll add a little bit of glow to the cheeks, just a very subtle, nothing crazy. You could do a pop-on highlight if you want, but I just did a very natural kind of glow, so I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick and we'll get going. My eyelashes are long-ish, but they're extremely pin straight, so after I had put on the mascara, they instantly fell straight, and you'll see that in some pictures. It was, of course, heartbreaking on graduation day, but for my lower lashes, I am going to go in with my Loreal telescopic mascara, just because it's a thinner wand and it's easier to get the lower ones. Alright, so the eyes are done. Now I'm going to go into my brows. I did super natural brows, nothing too like fluffy or boxy or like Instagram baddie, but I'm going to take my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, just kind of fill them in a little bit, any sparse areas, add a little bit of an outline to them. We're gonna go with highlighter. I do like a more intense inner corner highlight, so I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop Super Shock Cheek highlight in flexitarian on a pencil brush, and just lightly add it to the inner corners of my eye. And then I'm going to take a different highlighter on my IT Cosmetics highlighting brush. I'm going to take my Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in shade 10, Be My Highlight. And this is super, super natural. It barely gives you that much of a glow, but we don't want to look extremely matte. So we're going to build it up. Okay. And last but not least is lips. So I'm going to be going in with my Milani lipstick in Tropical Nude. It's a really pretty, like, light pink. I love the smell of these lipsticks. Okay, so the lips are done. This is the final look. It had really nice, kind of wavy, loose, kind of in between really tight and loose curls, and I will insert some graduation pictures and stuff and show you guys so you have like a decent idea of what you're looking at. But this is basically the super simple makeup look. So congratulations to everyone that's graduating this year. Happy graduation year to 2019. It's an amazing time, and honestly it was one of the best feelings to graduate from high school, and now I can't wait to graduate from college. So yeah, I'm going to leave my Instagram, my Twitter somewhere around here. Also, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so I hope you guys will be able to hit the subscribe button and stick around for some more content. So yeah, bye.